Welcome back everyone to another reaction video. It's been a while since I've done reaction videos. It's gotten a bit quiet here on this channel, to be fair. That's totally me. I have a lot going on, like currently a lot of music, obviously, a lot of my personal projects, Soothing Glow, where I'm currently again wow, dying is something new to me, but okay. No, I'm writing another record, and I'm currently in, I will not say the final steps, but we are closing in, and that is why it's been a bit more quiet here. But hey, we are here today to check out a band called Karmanjakah, which, I hope I pronounced it correctly, is a 4-piece prog metal band / rock band from Sweden, Stockholm. I actually totally forgot about that. We had them indirectly on the podcast because we did like written interviews back in the days. Yes, before the age of video was rising in comedy, we did everything written in written format, which is kind of boring nowadays, to be fair. But we had them for a written interview, and we talked about their previous EP called Ancient Skills from 2023, and I really like the record, even though I think it's like a 4 or 5 piece EP, but the songs pack some serious vibe to it. It's very melancholic, it's very emotional, a lot of clean singing, which I personally like a lot in progressive metal or rock in that sense. But then again, they can also turn up the volume and turn up the gain and the power. So I'm really excited to checking out Eyes Seeing Eyes. This is a single of the new record, or the full record since a while actually, called Diamond Morning, which releases May 8th. So that will definitely be a highly anticipated record from me. I listen to Ancient Skills still to this day on a regular basis. Yeah, and we shall check out Eyes Seeing Eyes. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy, and yeah, we'll see what this is all about. Super mellow. There it comes. Slowly, it's creeping up. The guitar. Visually very striking. I like the film grain, the old school kind of video editing. Really nice. Fits the song so far. I said it was coming, but I was not expecting that drop. Nice. That's beautiful. very pulsy, very fitting with the vibe. That's really beautiful. Extremely vibey, extremely emotional. I have goosebumps. Which is a good sign, to be fair. Ooh. Yeah, this is totally up my alley. This is my genre. I love progressive stuff so much, especially if it's sound gazy like that. That was 5 minutes 30? Really? I didn't feel that long though. But a freaking vibey song, a beautiful song by Karmanjakah. Well, I know what I'll be doing on the 8th of May. This is exactly up my game. This is reminding me a lot of, like, okay, I'm just throwing out big names here. Yes, this is alternative. This is alternative, very progressive, obviously. Reminding probably several people of, Sleep Token-ish vibes without the hip-hop elements, but I think it's not necessarily needed. The piano does a lot of work here. The riffs tend or seem to be a bit monotonish, but hey, I think that fits the vibe very well. I'm really looking forward for that record, honestly. The moment I saw that they announced this record, I was like, okay, I already knew this will be most definitely end up in my top 10, because it's a band that really delivers and scratches the feels on my skin whenever I listen to them. So yeah, looking forward to that. I think there's another song out. I will check that out also. I haven't listened to it yet. I think it's called Dove. I will let you know what I think of that, but this is right up my alley. So for those out there who enjoy this kind of music, again, everything is below, Karmanjakah. And if you want to know more about us or Kamedi, everything is usually in the link in the description below. And yeah, I think I'm in a good mood today. I will record another reaction video. I don't know which video yet, but you'll find out either before this one or after. We'll see. Kind of difficult. But hey, thank you very much for watching. And yeah, until very soon.